Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. The market is open, and if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have already taken a short position or sell position and you are in a profit right now. Because see, the setup on GBP USD is not much complicated. It's simple. Market was going up after this huge downtrend, huge fall in the market. Market was recovering. We had a resistance at this particular level of 1.3600, which is the new support for the market, because as we all know, resistances become support and support becomes resistances. So this was the resistance, and right now this is the new support for the market. So apart from this level, the next important level, or the perhaps the most important level on the chart of GBP USD, is the level of 1.3780. Why this level is important? This level was important, is important because this level belongs to the weekly chart. Previously, this level was the very important, extremely important support for the market, and right now this level is acting as a resistance for the market, and as a result, this was a good position to short the market. So if you have already taken a sell position, then be on the trade, enjoy the profit. And on the other hand, if you still want to initiate a sell position, yes, you can initiate a sell position. Just keep in mind, okay, your stop loss will be above this line at least, so there will be a difference of around 50 pips. Okay, so it will be a difference of around 50 pips. So calculate the position accordingly, and most importantly, please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong also. And this is your capital, and it is your duty to protect your hard-earned money. So my dear friends, please follow proper risk management, use stop loss, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And on the other hand, if you go to the DXY, the chart of US dollar, and we can see that US dollar, as per our expectation and calculation, going up after the market opening. Because see, though US dollar is an uptrend, but right now we are in a range here, and dollar is going up from here. And if dollar starts going up or keeps the up move, then obviously GBP USD will be going down. And on the because they are correlated, when dollar goes down, GBP USD goes up. So right now dollar is an up move here, because see, this is the support for US dollar and this is the resistance. Okay, and after taking support here, it is going up. So what should be a strategy? The strategy is simple. The only strategy in front of us right now is the shorting the market at this particular level here. And if you have already taken a short position, be on the trade. That's it. That is the only trading strategy for us right now. Okay, but there is a one complication here, and the complication is the Forex sentiment meter. Okay, in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 74% retail traders have taken short position and 25% retail traders have taken long position. As we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. That's a big problem. So most of the time we see that market going against the sentiment of the retail traders. So whenever we see retail traders are on the short position, market goes up. Whenever we see retail traders on the long position, market goes down. So right now GBP USD, they have taken short position, so there is a possibility of market going up as well. And why we have a possibility? The possibility is that, see, if you look at the trend of the market here, okay, just forget about this fall and all. Okay, just consider the present trend of the market here. Try to understand the market logically here. What is the basic rule of the market, the thumb rule of the market? Whether you're trading in stock market, Forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. The thumb rule of the market is trend. Follow the trend. It means that trend is the most important thing in the market. and right now the market is in uptrend, and as we all know, support and resistance level are not permanent. So therefore there is still a possibility that market will go up and break this level, and this is the main reason, okay, this is the main reason I'm insisting you again and again to use proper risk management and stop loss. Okay, because see, your if you have taken a short position, then good, but still your trade can go against you. Okay, if your trade goes against you, then also at least you will only lose 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And if market starts trading above this level, listen to me carefully now, things will get complicated. If market starts trading above this level for 4 to 6 hours, 4 to 8 hours, if you see that market is trading comfortably above this level, then you will get a confirmation that yes, at last GBP USD has taken over this level again. Because see, if you watch the weekly chart, then you will see that market was trading above this level for quite some time. Okay, let me take you. See, previously market was trading above this level for quite some time. So okay, so there is a possibility of market breaking the level as well. So if market breaks the level and starts trading above it, then you'll get a confirmation that okay, 1.3780 is the support again for the market. That's also a possibility because market is in constant movement. So then you can initiate a buy order. Okay, then you can initiate a buy order because this will be the new support for the market. Okay, this will be the new support for the market. But right now, if you continue with your short position, but if market breaks the level, go for a buy again. Go for buy after a couple of hours. That's it. If you're confused right now, then please watch the video carefully, because see, if you are a beginner, if you're new to trading, then it may be very much confusing to you, because support resistances become support in the market and support becomes resistances in the market. Okay, I'll try to make a separate video sometime so that you can understand it better. So that's it. Bye bye, take care. Let's see where the market goes. See you tomorrow.